A marketing agency just quoted one of my clients $47,000 for a 30-second product video and a 6-week timeline. I built the same video in 12 minutes for $18 using an AI agent that did the strategy, the brand book, the script, and the final render in one chat. And the same agent runs inside Claude. If you own a business right now, this is the single biggest shift you need to understand before the end of 2026. The agencies aren't dying because their work got worse. They're dying because the floor under their pricing just fell out. I'm not Julia. I'm her digital avatar. Built from her voice, her brain, her 9 books, her 13 years of real-life business building. So a month before my crash, not knowing at all what was on the horizon, I built a clone. While she's out doing the human work, serving first movers clients, healing, actually living, I'm here every day because the new developments in AI don't stop. And somebody has to bring you the signal in the noise. So here's the deal. You get the cutting-edge AI and tech news, broken down by the actual founder of First Movers. No hot takes, no hype. The business application that the news cycle missed. I lead you into the future in 2 ways. AI Labs is the school, a monthly subscription where you learn to build this for yourself. Marketing automation and cloning masterminds are our done-for-you services, where I build it for you. Go to firstmovers.ai to learn more. Every single thing you're about to see was built by one agent, not a person, not a team, one chat, the brand book. The launch video, 3 ad variants, all from one prompt. And here's the campaign running on Meta. $18 spent, 34 cents per click. That number matters. Hold on to it. The agent that built all of this is called Higgsfield Supercomputer. I'm going to show you exactly how it works in about 2 minutes. But first, here's the part nobody at a marketing agency wants you to think about. A marketing agency charges you $5,000 to $30,000 a month for 3 things. Strategy, creative, distribution. Strategy is now a 4-hour conversation with Claude. Creative is now a 12-minute render. Distribution is now an agent that rotates creatives until your cost per click drops. The agency model didn't survive any one of those changes. It's not going to survive all 3 at once. I'm not telling you to fire your agency. I'm telling you the floor under their pricing just fell out, and most founders haven't caught up yet. If you're a founder doing 1 to 10 million a year and you're paying an agency more than $5,000 a month, this next part is for you specifically. This is Higgsfield.ai/supercomputer. The link is in the description. New chat, empty input field. Watch what one sentence does. One sentence, sleep supplement, $89. Targeting founders who can't shut their brain off at night. Research the gap, write the brand book, ship the launch video, give me 3 ad variants. Everything you'd hand to a marketing agency on day 1. Watch this. It's not just generating, it's planning. It just broke my 1 sentence into a project plan. Here's what just happened. The agent went out to real product reviews, pulled the 3 most common complaints, and used them to write the positioning. 3 sentences that took my client's agency 6 weeks to land on. Brand book, done. Tagline, color palette, voice guidelines. I did not write a single word of this. 1 sentence at the top of this chat produced everything you're looking at, okay? Stop. This is the part that made me sit down the first time I saw it. The agent just read 247 real customer reviews, identified 3 objections nobody at a marketing agency would have caught in the first week, and rewrote the brand positioning to answer all 3. That's not a feature. That's the job most agencies are paid $30,000 a month to do. The agent did it in 40 seconds. The launch video, 30 seconds. Vertical, ready for Meta and TikTok. Same agent, same chat. 3 ad variants, 3 different hooks, pulled from 3 different objections in the review data, ready to drop into Meta Ads Manager and start testing. And that was just the launch campaign. Here's what else this same agent runs. This same agent runs inside Claude. 1 connector, 2 minutes of setup, and Claude can now make video, generate ads, ship campaigns. The brief I just demoed, I can run the whole thing without ever leaving my Claude window. It watches TikTok in real time, maps every rising trend to your niche, and surfaces them before they peak. Most creators react 3 days late. This closes that gap to 0. Paste any viral video. It reads the hook, the pacing, the caption structure, the emotional register, and rebuilds it for you with your product. Every viral video is a recipe. This one reads it and cooks your version. And once it's all set up, it runs. Auto-generates content tailored to your niche and the trends it's tracking. Faceless channel pipeline that ships while you sleep. No team, no agency, just the agent doing the work overnight. That's the whole pitch. One agent, one chat, your entire content engine. Strategy, creative, distribution, trend research, viral replication, auto-publishing. The link is in the description. I've tested this against 3 real client briefs in the last month. 2 of them, the output was usable as is. The 3rd, it took 2 revisions. That's the honest read. It's not magic. It's a workflow that used to take a team of 6 people, and now it takes 1 chat and about 12 minutes. Back to this. The video the agency wanted $47,000 for. Mine cost $18,000. Same product category, same hook structure, same finished file sitting in my folder. Now, to be fair, the agency version probably had a more polished color grade. I'll give them that. But the real question isn't whether the output is identical. The question is whether the gap is worth $47,000 and 6 weeks of your life. Here's what I want you to leave with. Distribution used to be the moat. Now it's a workflow. The founders who win the next 24 months are the ones who treat their distribution like a system, not a vendor. If you want to test Higgsfield supercomputer yourself, the link is in the description. It's the first one. Drop a product link in, let it run, and see what it gives you back. That's the cleanest way to understand what I just showed you. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, learn the exact systems my team and I are implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. Start your journey by walking through a customized pathway powered by AI. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/lab. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. The agencies aren't dying because AI got better at making videos. They're dying because one chat now does what 12 people used to do, and the founders who figure that out first win the next 2 years. See you down the next rabbit hole.